All right, so this is just a quick update to the MicroStinger and how to set it up with a StreamDeck. I finally got my hands on a StreamDeck. So if you don't know how to set up the MicroStinger, go ahead and click in the top corner wherever it is, the video, to see that in action and how to configure it. This is just how to set it up with the StreamDeck. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, to set this up in your StreamDeck app, you're going to create a new multi-action. We're just going to name this Scene to Scene End. Now the actions we need to set up are, first we need two sources. We're going to activate the stinger on both your beginning scene and on your end scene. Then we're going to add in a delay. This delay is however long until the stinger completely covers the screen. For me, that's 2 seconds, so 2000 milliseconds, at which point we want to swap the scene. Going to scene end, going to add in another delay until the stinger is completely finished, and then we want to deactivate both sources. Deactivate on scene the stinger and deactivate on scene end the stinger. So that's your script for StreamDeck to do the MicroStinger. Let's see it in action. Okay, starting on the opening scene, we click the StreamDeck button. It activates the stingers, swaps the scene, and deactivates the stingers. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I hope you guys enjoyed this.